Hi, welcome to Sci-Fi Show. So my first update is 2 days after touching down asteroid Bennu from NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission team received on October 22 images that confirm the spacecraft has collected more than enough material, acquiring at least 2 ounces or 6 grams of asteroid's surface material. So I have in my previous update I have detailed tell that what is NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission. So NASA OSIRIS-REx spacecraft collects significant amount. So it is confirmed. So Intel is creating a cryptographic code that quantum computer can't break. So uh, from now many years ago that quantum computer break the Bitcoin cryptography. So quantum computer is very hard, very fast, and so if it is more faster than a general computer or supercomputer. So it's do a lot of work in a very less time. So it easy to break many cryptography. So Intel is creating that cryptography. So whenever you go to India, so in Thela means a four wheeler that have no engine and it serve food. So in Thela, you see hanging many type of QR code from Indian origin, Paytm, Indian company, but it is invested by Chinese company. So I don't know whether it is Indian or Chinese. Indian, Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, and there are many UPI, free charge, or like something, and you confuse that where to scan. So finally, RBI decides and told that you can't use a QR code that is exclusively for that company. Use a QR code that receives from all company, and after the pandemic over, whenever you go to India, that probably you see a one QR code that receives from many company that work for all company. So another update is India's Covaxin approved for phase 3 trial. So what is Covaxin? Covaxin is a vaccine for Chinese virus COVID-19, and it is a work of combination of BBIL, NIV, ICMR. So BBIL is a main company that is manufacturing that is brand of Covaxin, Bharat Biotech India Limited, and NIV, National Institute of Virology, which is situated in Pune. There is only one virology center in huge India, only one, and ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, Hyderabad. It is combination of three group, and what is phase 3 trial? So whenever you made a Covaxin, you have to trial after release it. So in phase 1, only few people will be trial, and in phase 2, if it is success, then in phase 2, many people like a cluster of people 50 to 100 will be trial, and if phase 2 will be success, then phase 3 will be trial for a lot of people, like in here in India 28,500 people will be tested. Mm, so uh, why we trial? Because when if we if direct phase 3 will be trial, then if there is any error, then all will be risks. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and then release all people. So let's check if it will be success or not. Covaxin will be given to 10 states out of 29 states, and it is deactivated vaccine, that the SARS-CoV-2 virus will be deactivated, and it will be mixed in the solution and given to volunteers. Johnson and Johnson prepares to resume COVID vaccine in US. So where they stopped after a volunteer became ill. So they evaluated and examined where the volunteer become ill. So they got no evidence that the vaccine due to vaccine it is ill. So they are going to resume it very soon in US. The clinical trial for COVID-19 vaccine being developed by AstraZeneca and Britain's University of Oxford has resumed in US. The US was the only country where trial remained suspended following a participant's illness, and FDA, the Food and Drug Administration of US, approved it to resume.